we decided it would be a good idea to make lunch for Trang and her family. So we're here looking for some veggies. 5.000. 2, 4, 5. 5.000 đây cô ơi. I'll show you some of the sights and sounds of the market. Squid, fish. Oh, watch your step. It's a little bit hectic. Salmon heads. The salmon heads are good. Low key. Don't sleep on salmon heads. Salmon head's good. Ooh. Chào chị. Getting some squid. 50.000. Dạ. Cảm ơn cô. Đi đâu? So we got some squid for $2. Here's the flower you like. Sao cute man. Yep. Yeah, come on. Mang, hey. Yeah, mang. Yeah. Bamboo. Do we have everything we need?
I got everything we need.
We don't need any beef?
No, we'll get it at
Oh, Bad Huasan. So we'll go to a different market to get beef.
There.
Got the veggies we needed. And everything costs like $5 or less. So sweet. Veggies and squid. We're looking for beef. Coming to the regular supermarket or grocery store. The Bad Huasan. What, y'all want some beef? Y'all got beef with me? Do you know which cut of beef that is? Is it like a shoulder?
It's saying,
Or a leg?
saying leg.
It says leg, doesn't it? Beef leg. Dewey ball. Okay, we went with 2. Just why not? Get a little bit more. Never know if we're gonna need it. Do you want to see if they have your hoe gardens here? They don't. you bought their whole stock.
There's a whole garden drought.
Well, we did come here like yesterday and buy all the ones they had, right?
Tổng một món 123.576 đồng.
$5. Yeah, about $10 total for all the
Cảm ơn
shopping.
quý khách.
So let's get ready to make some lunch. Báo giá.
Bị báo giá trước đi. Rồi báo giá đi.
Bao nhiêu cô? Cô mua bao nhiêu? We're trying to see if we got fleeced on the prices here.
Cá cơm 70.000.
Yeah, 70,000 for that. Rau này là bao nhiêu cô?
20.000.
Oh wow, that's only 20,000?
But it's like 1/3. This makes sense.
Bí này
Bị này.
cô đoán đi.
50.
Yeah, 60. 60.
Đúng
So
giá
she's
không?
đúng giá không?
Thì đâu biết đâu, cái này bao nhiêu? Cái này
Đâu
bao...
cân đâu.
Không cân đâu.
Hơn 6 lạng, hơn 6 lạng.
Hơn 6 lạng hả? Thì chắc
Hơn 6 lạng. Bao nhiêu?
No!
vậy là bằng nhau. Bằng hả?
Same price.
Same price, huh?
Đang tươi hơn.
This is fresher.
Ah.
Của Thái tươi hơn.
Alright, you
Ours
want
is fresher.
that and this.
mua cái
Bông này ngon
cái
à?
hoa thiên lý là cái búp búp nó mới ngon hơn là cái nở. Còn cái này là
Nở
nở.
tỉ lê hết.
Cái này là mới tươi nè.
Fresh.
Yes, ours
Hơn
is
6
fresher.
lạng. Hơn 6 lạng thì 10.000 một lạng. Cái này cũng 10.000 một lạng.
Yeah.
Nhưng mà không ngon, cái này 2 lạng.
Lạng means gram.
Gram.
Okay. Gram, yeah.
200 gram. Này là hơn 600 gram. Cái này rẻ hơn mà tươi hơn, ngon hơn.
Tươi rẻ hơn.
Thái giỏi.
Fresh and yes.
Cái này là 20.000 2 lạng.
Cái này là 60
Cái
ngàn.
này 60.000 nhưng mà cái bông nó mập hơn.
Tươi hơn.
60.000 là bao nhiêu tiền, bao nhiêu
Hơn 6 lạng.
Hơn 6 lạng.
ở đâu mua đâu?
Chợ
Mở
Phú Mỹ.
phở chợ Phúc Mỹ.
Gì qua báo giá?
Yeah.
Báo giá this.
Và báo giá rau này
Rau má.
rau má 5 ngàn.
5.000 nó rẻ vậy.
Đúng giá hả?
Đúng giá.
So cheap, she said.
Nhưng mà rau này thì nó sẽ không ngon bằng rau má
So
sẻ.
she said this was
Mẹ
good.
không phải
Good
rau má sẻ,
price.
cũng rau
Rau
má
má
sẻ.
sẻ.
Good
Rau má
price on
sẻ.
this.
Rau má sẻ là rau má người ta trồng rau má củ á, không
Rau
có
má
lai
được
á.
không?
Rau má được.
Yeah. Yes. We're good on
Rau
that.
má này để về bữa nấu cháo sò huyết.
Squid.
Ngày mai ba với mẹ đi mua đó sò huyết ấy.
Mức này
Mực.
mực
Cô đoán
này
đi.
cô đoán đi
Mực này,
bao nhiêu?
mực này chắc
Suy nghĩ lâu ghê.
50.000.
Yeah, chính xác.
Chính xác.
Chính xác.
Nãy giờ mày đoán cái gì?
50,000. Exactly.
Rồi vậy là có bị chém không?
Không nhưng mà mực á thì hơi chưa có được tươi lắm tại chưa rồi.
Not so fresh, but
À.
because it's late
Cũng
noon.
ngon đó, cũng ngon đó.
Late noon.
Cũng
Mua
ngon.
một nhỏ
Ờ,
nhỏ
ngon.
về ra.
Okay, we did well.
Ai đi chợ?
Yeah.
Win đi chợ, Thái trả tiền.
Yeah, Trang did the shopping, I did the paying. That's basically what Trang said there. First step,
Mẹ mua cái áo này thôi.
I gotta do the dishes. Pounds in the trash can, Gucci do the dishes. But nobody kept it in my kitchen. Bought an old school, then I sat it on sixes. How you doing work, Gucci plenty working in the kitchen? Trang ơi, Trang lấy ăn cái rổ được giùm anh nha. Give me the strainer, please, so I can put these clean dishes in the strainer. Giỏi nào mà giỏi. Where's the talent? Her mom said, I'm so talented. Where's the talent? This is normal stuff. Normal bình thường à. Thank you. Alrighty.
Sáng nay anh làm gì?
Sáng nay anh quét qua ruộng
Ngoài, out in the
ở ngoài
ngoài gì?
ngoài nhà.
Ngoài sân.
Ngoài
Remember
sân.
that word?
Is that the out of
Yard?
the yard?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Ngoài sân.
Ngoài sân.
Sun. Dishes are coming along, almost finished. I can't tell if I'm wet from the dishes or from the humidity.
Got 2 fans running.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the humidity. Phase 1 complete. Dishes are done. Phase 2. What's going on here? No. Shh. Let me get into a full Asian squat. Flat feet, flat feet. So what are we looking for? This is the flower plant that we got. We're gonna make this with the beef. I have one hand on the camera, so it's kind of inefficient. I can give that to you though. All right. Anyways, we're washing off the vegetable. Chú Yao nấu cơm. Gạo. Gạo lứt. Like a brown, it's like a brown reddish rice. We got the rice cooker here, so I'll put it in this bad boy. I like the brown reddish rice. It has like a little bit more fiber. I like the taste of it better too than regular white rice.
Một chảo gì luôn
Looks
hả?
like all of
Dữ
it's
vậy?
clean.
Thì con nói ăn nhiều.
Thì nhiều hơn bữa thôi.
Is it enough? Trang consults her mom for executive cooking decisions. Chú làm sat. Làm
VO.
chú vo
Gạo.
gạo bao nhiêu lần? Một lần. One time, washes it one time, right? Loại gạo này
Không nên vo nhiều.
không nên vo nhiều. So this kind of rice you don't really have to clean as much as.
Should not
Oh, you should not clean.
as much. Cause like
Normal rice you would usually clean 3 times
no, that's just
or 2.
people have a theory that it's just like for bad rice, like low quality, you have to rinse it a lot because like it's got like dirt in it. But like for clean rice, shouldn't rinse it a lot because like each grain of rice it has like a protective layer, and that layer is like very nutritious. It's like a very thin, nutritious layer. If you rinse it very like
Thoroughly.
rigorously,
Yeah.
it washes away, it scrubs away that
I get
layer.
it. So you take away some of the nutrition. It's going in.
Do you mind? Well, you gotta bring it out there.
Oh,
Nấu á,
that's true. I forgot about that.
khi nấu là chọn cái độ nấu chậm nè.
So it goes outside to dry. Yeah. What? I'm sorry, I didn't hear your dad. What did he say?
Choose the slow cook mode on the rice cooker.
So how long does the rice cook for?
An hour.
Ooh. 1 hour rice. Must be nice. Now I got rhymes. So right now we are rinsing some broccoli and some tomatoes to make a soup. And then you want me to ask your parents where the vermicelli is.
Yeah, we're
Boom gạo.
rice. Yeah, rice vermicelli.
Dạ. Dạ cô ơi. Bún gạo ở đâu? Dạ. Her mom's gonna get it. Vermicelli, where's the vermicelli? We're making the vermicelli with the soup. Yeah, yum cool. Got the vermicelli. It even says,
After how much meat,
yeah.
and grab that much, put it in a bowl.
Well, she gave us this. What do you think? That looks.
Nấu xong nhiêu đó hả mẹ? Alright, can you unpack? Can you unpack it and soak it in water? So get a bowl.
Yep. So we're doing all of it, right? Soak it in water. All right. Just regular sink water, right? Okay.
You gotta leave space for it too.
Well, we got the vermicelli going. We got the vegetables soaking in water. So the soup stuff is kind of ready-ish. We have squid and fish here.
Okay, can I have a squid and fish? And you please do add like 1/4 a quarter of that.
Yeah.
However you want to make it, however you want to acquire it, obtain it, as long as it's 1/4.
Okay.
Take a little saucer or a little bowl, whatever, put that in.
Yep.
Put it in.
This is ground pork. It's already made. And I need a quarter. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go like this. Partition like that. Kind of make a line. And then guesstimate that way. I think I did pretty well there. It could be a third.
That's good.
But it's pretty, I think it's pretty close to a quarter.
That's good.
Dạ, cô cho con hỏi con nấu bộ cá làm sao?
Bột cá gì?
Bộ chiên cá. Bộ chiên cá. Phát âm còn tốt.
Bột chiên cá. Ồ, chiên cá hả?
We got the fish is sinking. Now the fish is, what do we even call that? Rinsing?
Yeah.
Or-
Rinsing it with salt water.
Rinsing it with salt water. Oh, we have a big thing of rock salt here. Is this the salt that you use?
Yeah. Or
For rinsing. Cutting the broccoli like a master. Bộ chiên cá.
Bột chiên giòn, cái tôm cá rồi đó.
Bộ chiên giòn.
Giòn là crispy.
Trang's mom said that once we upload this to YouTube, people might say we're bad at cooking. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments. Do you think we're bad at cooking, good at cooking, medium at cooking, medium rare at cooking? Let me know. I got some hot water. Put it in the pot because I think we're ready to make some soup. I got the hot water from the machine over here. It's Korea design.
Now I'll tell you when to plop it. You want to plop it?
I'm ready to plop.
Alright, well,
Can't stop the plop.
plop that first.
This?
Plop it close to the water so it doesn't splash, okay?
Ground pork, right? I feel like Martha Stewart right now. All right, ground pork going in. You want to do
Close
this?
to
You
the
want to do this
water.
close to the water so it doesn't splash. Hot water. Be careful, everybody.
Dip that in.
If you have any young children, dip the spoon in, and then you
dip the
can
bowl in.
dip the bowl in too.
Mix a little bit.
And you're gonna want to not burn your hand like I just did, if possible. The water is very hot.
See the
Oh.
water boiling?
Oh, cool. We're
So
getting
that-
a clear lid or a transparent lid so we can see the soup being cooked. I love the transparency in this transaction as well.
Với cái con mà không cái mặt gì, cái đồ để
The water is boiling, so you said tomatoes first? Tomato. Is there any reason why they go in separately, tomatoes and broccoli?
Tomato goes in first to create some flavor.
Okay.
Broccoli cooks. Takes faster for broccoli to cook. Takes less time for broccoli to cook.
Less time for the broccoli to cook. You're gonna want to put the broccoli in second.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the broccoli in now.
Broccoli goes in now. We waited about 3 milliseconds and then we put the broccoli in. 3 to 4 milliseconds. Broccoli goes in. Alright. Kind of dump that, but be careful. Okay. That's all in. This is what your soup should look like. So we're gonna let that go ahead and bubble there on the stove. I know bubble is a very official word for that. With the cap on or off? Off. Cap off. Looks like Trang's preparing the powder for the fish. It's got the egg there. Did you put the powder in there yet?
Yeah.
Powder's in there. And then you're gonna dip each fish in there?
No, I'm gonna throw the entire batch of fish in.
Oh, interesting. So what are you putting in the soup there?
I'm putting just seasoning powder and brown sugar and some pepper for taste, and then I'm gonna put in some seasoning herbs. It's just cilantro and green onions, and then I'm gonna put the vermicelli in last because it cooks in like 2 seconds.
Is that cocoa powder, the brown one?
No, it's brown sugar.
Oh.
Black sugar.
Ah.
Yeah, black sugar.
I thought we were gonna have like a chocolate soup. How's it taste so far?
Want to taste?
Sure. Pretty good.
Let me mix it up first for you.
Yeah.
Alright, and then you can either use a spoon if you want, or you can use a chopstick.
Okay.
But
Oil in the pan. Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Mixing that fish up. Martha Nguyen or Martha Stewart.
alright.
Martha Stewart Vietnamese edition. Oil's hot in the pan. Got the scooper. That's what that thing's called, by the way. It's called a scooper. I don't know if that's right or not. I don't know what kitchen tools are called. Is that a
I don't know,
ladle?
it's just a big spoon.
I think it's a big ladle.
Alright, so you go. Try to keep it in like a circle, okay?
Like a little pancake?
So that's probably a good size. I'm gonna put a little bit more batter on top. Alright, now like try to like keep them in
Yeah.
and like make the fish stick to it.
Okay.
Alright, that's probably it. You got it?
And then what?
And then you wait for it to be good on one side, you flip.
How long should I wait approximately?
I don't know, well we can wait.
Let's see
here
how
and
long,
see.
yeah. So we waited about 30 seconds to a minute, and now we have the spatula. A little more oil. Let's see how that one is. This is kind of like the test run for us. Oh, that looks actually perfect. Look at that.
You probably have to go back.
And the other one's probably done too now. Let's get a little flipsy dipsy on that. Looking good, Trang. Nice job.
Stewart, Martin Stewart of
Martin Stewart.
the Martin Stewart of Vietnam.
Oh, look at that. For my fish cakes.
Nicely rounded,
Oh yeah. Nice
crispy
and round.
yellow. Let us see the flip. Ready for the flip yet or
I
not?
don't think it's ready for a flip yet.
No?
No. But if you
Alright.
compare it to these, you see those are
Yeah,
those
these
are trimmed.
test runs. And I mean, who taught you to make these?
Well, you did teach me. But now the student has become the master. So,
Anything ready for the flipping yet? I mean, you tell us, chef. You tell us If anything, it's ready for the flipping.
It's not quite ready yet. I might even turn the heat up because I don't need that beginner level heat. Like you did, you were going low heat so as to not, you know. I can go a little bit quicker. I'm just more comfortable with this process. So, go ahead and turn the heat up a little bit on
No,
that.
no. Trust me, you don't want that.
You wouldn't. No, I'm just kidding. I probably don't want that. So let's see now.
Ooh, we're ready for the flipping. We're ready for the flipping. Let's see. Ooh, look at the sizzling, bubbling oil. All right, cut. I hear a mess up sound. I hear an oh no. My chance. This is my chance. What oh no? What happened?
I think I saved the day. I added a little bit more flour. I think I had a little bit too much fish, not enough batter for this one. So I added some more batter. I think we've crisis averted.
Nice job.
Your mom was saying that I'm a chef. You didn't get that on the film, but your mom saying I'm a chef.
No.
She said đầu bếp nấu nhiều món ngon. Phải không cô?
Đúng rồi, đầu bếp nấu nhiều món ngon quá.
Nhiều món ngon quá.
Đó, vừa làm rồi nguyên dọn vậy.
Temple, huh? Yeah. That one's looking pretty good. But I messed this other one up. Mỗi người một tay. Everyone lending a helping hand. It should be a delicious meal. If you guys are liking this content, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Vietnam content like this. Yeah.
Vậy để cứ vàng.
Everything seems to be coming together pretty well. Non-com. Yeah. That's the finished product of what we did there. So we put the little thing over that so the flies don't get on it. Still gotta do the muk, the squid, and Trang's got these rose veggies going right now. That's what she's gonna do with the beef. So you cook those down, I assume they're gonna get a lot smaller, right? As you cook them. And then you're gonna just stir fry it with the beef.
I'm gonna put it out in a plate, stir fry the beef separately. Once the beef is almost done, put it back in.
And then is there
This kind
anything
of
else like
technique that-
garlic?
Yeah, there is garlic. Speaking of which, can you get me that? There's a box like this, a container of garlic, a jar of garlic
In the fridge?
in the freezer.
In the freezer, okay.
Garlic
Tìm tỏi à? Right here. Here you go.
here. I'll use them later. but thank you.
Boom. Taking care of business.
Can you bring these drainers outside and put them on that like little wooden table.
Yep. She likes them. She likes them. She likes them. Yeah. Trang dạy Thái nấu món đó. Trang taught me how to teach that, how to cook that dish. The garlic's gone in, the beef is in there. Trang looks intensely focused. How do you feel right now? Tell the fans how you feel. Any pressure?
Yeah, it's run of the mill, you know.
Yeah, I mean, you do this. This is a normal. The beef looks pretty good.
Thank you. I sliced the beef.
Yeah, you did a good job. So you're gonna cook that until it's fully cooked, and then you got the veggies in after.
Plate and put it on the dinner table for us.
Okay.
Along
Beef and
with
flour
some
veggies done.
of the soup in the bowl.
All right. So
on
some of the
dinner
soup in the
table.
bowl, some of the
Right,
beef in
plate.
there. Got it. Chang's got the last dish, right?
Yeah.
And it's the stir-fried squid.
Where can you hit my sugar?
Black sugar.
You hit my sugar.
Đừng đen ở đâu? Dạ ở đây.
Good job. Thank you.
Cooking with sugar. Always kind of like surprised me when we cook savory foods with sugar here in Vietnam, because it's not something we typically do in America, I don't think.
Yeah, but when I don't tell you that I cook with sugar, all the dishes that I made you, you're like, oh my god, this is so good.
All finished. Got cái món này là tên gì? What is this?
Cá chiên bột.
Cá chiên bột.
Cá cơm chiên bột.
Cá cơm chiên bột. So it's just like fried fish cakes. We got my favorite dish, bò
Xào hoa thiên lý.
bò xào hoa tiên lý.
Đúng rồi.
Canh
Canh bông cải xanh. Broccoli bông cải xanh.
canh bông cải xanh
Nấu với
nấu với
cà chua,
cà chua,
miếng, vermicelli,
miếng,
thịt bằm,
mực đen.
mực đen. Mực này là để nguyên túi. Mực để nguyên túi.
Squid
Still has their
and rice.
squid
Cơm
back.
Cơm
gạo lứt, cơm gạo lứt.
cơm gạo lứt.
Brown rice.
Đây là bữa ăn của do Thái và Trang nấu.
Yeah, we made this meal.
Đi chợ và nấu.
Yeah, we went to the market and we cooked it, and hopefully it's good.
Và Trang cùng nhau nấu bữa ăn này.
Yeah. Còn Tê Duy thì cô chú Tê Duy.
Đúng rồi.
Yeah.
Có thể là chưa có ngon lắm.
Yeah.
Chưa có gọn gàng lắm.
Yeah.
Be tidy in the process of making it.
Yeah.
Nhưng mà tụi con đã trải nghiệm
Yeah.
cùng nhau.
You had an
It's
experience.
an experience together. Yeah.
Some rice, please.
Yeah, some rice, of course.
One scoop.
One scoop, see?
That's good.
Okay.
Thank you. You want another scoopsie for yourself?
Yeah. So I've been posting my lunch bowls on Instagram recently. This is your beer, but I'll put it here because your mom likes to have a sip of
Oh, you're right.
someone else's beer.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
That's true. That's true.
Ngon quá. Ngon quá. Ba, vô.
Yeah, nhìn ngon không?
Ngon.
Mà ba ăn cơm, mẹ ăn cơm.
Yeah.
Rất là ngon. Ăn lại với thật lượng. Rồi, cảm ơn con.
Chú có được đây nè. Chú có được.
Yeah.
Nguyên nêm ngon nha. Nêm rất là ngon.
Sao? Oh, thank you. Why, thank you. But
You don't want that one?
not now. I want this one. This is good, but not now.
Quên rồi.
Oh yeah. You know what? I want to have the beef first.
Đưa mày thử nữa này. Ngon quá.
Yeah?
Ngon. Mực ngon.
Đừng lấy cái đũa, rớt cái đũa ra.
Trang nêm rất là ngon. Trang nêm nếm nhìn vậy nhưng mà rất là ngon. Người mày chưa nêm cái này. Giỏi.
I'm very good at seasoning.
Trang phải tập nấu nhiều hơn.
Yeah.
Từ trước giờ toàn là mẹ nấu cho ăn không.
Yeah.
Bây giờ phải tập.
True. I cook a lot.
I didn't understand any of that.
I gotta cook
Trang
more,
phải-
learn to cook more.
Oh, yeah, Trang nấu ăn giỏi.
Trang phải tập nấu ăn để chăm sóc mọi người, chăm
Yeah.
sóc ba mẹ,
Use
chăm sóc
chopsticks.
Thái.
Use chopsticks.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's your spoon now. Use chopsticks.
Oh, okay.
Use your own
I didn't
chopsticks.
bite into it yet though.
But it's fine. Yeah, you
So
can
it's still
use your chopsticks.
sanitary.
Ngon quá. Mà muốn mắm à.
I have to make my bowl look pretty. I think it looks pretty pretty so far. Looks nicer that way, yeah?
Tiny little
Yeah, good idea.
boom.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. And then, yeah, put a little broccoli in there.
Tùm
Từ
lum nữa.
từ con,
Ăn từ món hơn chứ.
ăn từng món thôi.
Look at that.
Ăn hôm tôi làm bà đang vậy.
Xinh quá.
Maybe I'll have like one little spoonful of squid.
Không bỏ nữa. Watch out, it's gonna drip. It's gonna
Yeah.
drip.
Thank you. Yeah. How do we say perfect is a hoàn hảo? I'll snap a picture of this for my Insta. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet, follow me at the Big Time Bentley. I'll put that in the caption here.
Ăn riêng từng món mới thưởng thức được.
You shouldn't put everything in the bowl, just one thing at a time so you can enjoy the distinct flavor.
Yeah. Đúng rồi đó. That's true. Put a little bit of fish sauce.
As they just said that.
Alright. I'm trying out the fried fish thing first.
Cái rồi.
Ngon.
Ngon không?
Yeah, ngon.
Bỏ cái
Một câu chú, tay sao?
ngon không?
Sao?
Trang nêm vừa ăn. Trang nêm nếm vừa ăn.
And season the food. Fits.
Yeah. I like the amount of crisp on that.
So first time.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. That's you. That's your product.
That turned out pretty well. The beef looks excellent.
So chewy though.
It is a little bit chewy, but it's really good.
Một hai bữa nữa. Nó có cái tấm trải kìa. Nó có cái tấm.
Dài
tấm đi
nhìn
căng.
ngon.
Đáy là cho này đem không cong, mềm nhưng không có cứng.
Được không? Không.
Yeah, được. So good. Malem. Mọi người nói Malem khi đồ ăn là ngon, nói Malem. Ở Việt Nam, Malem.
lên
Malem. Malem không? Nói đi.
No.
She doesn't want to say it.
lên tức
I just had a bite of the squid here. Very good. I saw the squid and I thought, I don't think I'm gonna like that. And then I had a bite. I was like, well, it's good.
Don't sleep on it.
Then
Don't sleep on it.
don't sleep on squid. Again, because squid live underwater, so if you're sleeping with a squid, you probably drown.
Dài quá hả? Nó vừa tái tới là con ấy luôn rồi. Cái sau nãy kêu cắt đúng thớ là cắt mỏng được. Gì đâu bò.
Coi.
Tháo vẫn ăn. Khi nào phải thịt nữa. Ăn nhổ ra ăn cho nâu.
Nó có gì đó. Thử. Da bò.
Sài Gòn rất khó khăn cái kiểu như đó là con có cô bán còn có chỗ cô bán thịt heo mình hay mua ở ngoài chợ lại á, chỗ gần chỗ bán Đông Na á, mà hết bán bò là. Yeah, you like this dish for this, don't you?
For what?
For this?
Being able to grab it with chopsticks?
No, for the
For the
The
vegetable?
greens.
Yeah, I do. I like the green. This is one of the better tasting green vegetables I've ever had in my life. What is this in English? Let me know in the comments. It's called something Lee?
Thiên lý, hoa thiên lý.
Joaquin Lee. I like the texture a lot.
You know that? Do you smell the aroma or kind of like the flavor?
It is aromatic.
Mm-hmm.
James' mom grabbing some of the soup.
Chín quá hả? Thái lại nó.
Mom now, wow. Is that good?
Too cooked.
Oh, too cooked. This one. Overcooked that. That was probably my fault. I think I was distracting us during. I'm sorry. Yeah. My fault. How do I say my fault?
Nhưng mà vẫn ngon. Tại mì. Tại mì.
Đại con. TAI dot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Đại con.
Nấm má. Nấm rồi.
Đưa đó con. Đến. Đưa.
Nấm lấu. Thái ăn đi.
Rồi, cứ để đi các bạn.
Okay. I'm trying to.
Good job for your effort. Keep doing that next time.
I think it's because you want to feed your elders here in Vietnamese culture. It's a sign of respect, right?
Mm-hmm. So they should come first, right? So like
Yeah.
comes to feeding, comes to like getting in and out,
Yeah.
car, or like going in
They
and
don't
out
hang up.
stores.
Yeah.
You know, like
Điền miếng nè.
it's like the ladies first type thing.
Right. Right. It makes a lot of sense. I mean, you want to take care of people who took care of you, essentially.
Yeah, so that's why like we kind of wait for them to start eating. You don't eat until they eat.
Oh no. Còn quên nói còn mời cô chú ăn cơm.
Không sao.
I forgot to invite them to eat the rice. You did too. Alright, so what is your...
Là đủ hả?
Ăn ơi, ăn cho hết đi, chiều nước tanh nó không ai ăn đâu.
Cô cho mấy điểm trên 10?
8,5.
I call it, I was gonna say it.
8.5? Okay, okay.
I call it. I know her.
Chú cho mấy điểm trên 10?
5.
9 điểm.
Yeah, 9.
9. A 9. Yeah. Yeah.
5 điểm.
8 điểm trăm 3.
8.3.
8.3.
Thầy khó quá.
Trang? So I said 8.3.
8.5.
8.5, 8.5, 9, 8.3. I think your dad was being nice.
Yeah.
Sao ăn Thái ăn cơm không được?
Why are you eating rice or alone?
Oh, I don't know. Let me put some soup in.
You want help with the squid? No one's eating the squid anymore.
I don't really want any more of the squid, actually. I think you gotta eat all the squid
Oh no.
like a dolphin.
Oh no. You used to call me a dolphin. Because one time I cooked squid, that was like the first time I cooked squid ever, and it was like very strong smell. And you were like, you're like a dolphin at SeaWorld. Remember you called me a dolphin at SeaWorld?
Throw the squid in your mouth. Good job, Trang. I think the meal turned out really well. What do you think?
I think so too.
Yeah, I think we did a good
I think
job.
it's a must try, that's why I gave it an 8.5.
We worked hard on it.
Why didn't you give it an 8.5?
Because I think
So
I
it's
think
not a must try?
no, I think the soup we could have done better with the soup because the vegetables got a little too soft, and then also the beef is too chewy, and
But it's the beef fault.
yeah, it is the beef's fault. I just think a couple of those things, like I didn't want it. 8.5 for me is like must try certified dank.
Yeah.
This was like our first time really cooking a full Vietnamese meal here since
That's why it's a must try.
yeah, I don't know. I was giving my honest review, but I don't know.
Honest review, 8.3, pretty good.
I hope you guys like this vlog. I've got bonus footage, deleted scenes, extra content on my Patreon, so definitely check that out at the link below. I want to thank my Patreon members, my executive producer Kimber, and my crew members Thanner, David, and Jonathan. Thank you so much for your support, and thank all of you for watching. I really hope you like this vlog. We had fun making it. Went to the market, cooked the food, and then enjoyed it with Trang and her family. So yeah, I think we'll just finish up eating the rest of this, and then clean up and go relax for a while. So see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you like this one. Click the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from y'all, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.